Welcome to AxeWrapz.com. In this video series, we'll go through the tools that you need for the job, how to prep your case properly, and how to install your graphics like a pro. First off, we're going to go through all the tools that you're going to need to do the job properly. Over here we have a squeegee. Now this is what we use to apply the film with. You can purchase these on my site, and hopefully you did when you purchased your kit. You can look around the internet and you'll find them for $8 to $10, $14 a piece. I'm selling them for $5. I'm not trying to profit off them. I want to make sure that you've got the right tool to do the job. If you don't have a squeegee, then I suggest that you tape a couple of credit cards up together and use that. And we'll get into that when we do the application end of this series. A hobby knife and an X-Acto utility knife. Now, you don't need both of them, but I like to have both because one can do things that the other can't. But one will do suffice. An air release tool. Now, unless you're a professional sign maker, you're not going to have one of these. So what I suggest you find is a safety pin. It'll do the exact same thing, and we'll show you how to use it when we do the installation process. This is an adhesive promoter. You'll need this to go around edges of your case and hard to adhere spots. And we'll show you how to use this as we do the install videos. This is isopropyl alcohol. It's a 70-30 mix, so 70% alcohol, 30% water. You can find that at any drugstore in a small bottle. You don't need a spray bottle like we have here, but just as long as you have isopropyl alcohol 70-30 mix. Preferably lint-free paper towel. Now you can buy that at any store. Just make sure that it's low lint or lint-free, because you don't want any debris left on your case when you're cleaning it. You want it clean. So lint-free or low lint paper towels. Masking tape, but painter's tape. The reason why you need painter's tape is because regular masking tape might leave a residue behind on your case, which you'd have to clean off afterwards. Painter's tape will come off cleanly. And the reason why you need masking tape is because the vinyl graphics will not stick to it. So what you're going to be using it for is to covering all the brass or steel components that aren't going to be covered by your graphic film. A measuring tape or a ruler. Reason why you need one of these is so you line your graphic up properly. A heat gun. Now, not everybody has access to a heat gun. You may have a friend that's got one that you can borrow, but guaranteed you don't. In case you don't have a heat gun or access to one, a hairdryer will work in a pinch. However, you'll need a diffuser. And if you don't know what a diffuser is, go ask your wife or girlfriend. Or if you are a girl, fantastic, you know what one is already. But the diffuser will remove the airflow from the hairdryer and only allow the heat through. So just like the heat gun, all you're going to need is the heat, not the airflow.